We'll guide you through how to download Dropbox on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in dropbox.com. Once you're on the site, look for the download button, usually located at the top of the home page. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the download page. Here, you'll find an option to download the Dropbox installer. Click the download button, and the installation file will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Dropbox installer.dmg file to start the installation process. A window will pop up with the Dropbox icon. Drag this icon into your Applications folder. This step copies Dropbox to your Mac. After you've done that, go to your Applications folder and find Dropbox. Double-click on it to open. The Dropbox app will start, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Dropbox account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're signed in, Dropbox will start syncing your files. You'll notice a Dropbox icon in your menu bar, indicating the sync status. You can click on this icon to access your Dropbox folder, preferences, and other options. Remember, to use Dropbox seamlessly, make sure you're connected to the internet so it can sync your files in real time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on your Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.